In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to find and track your previous received goods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to find and track previous delivery goods on Pinduoduo. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Pinduoduo shopping app. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to your profile. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to swipe this way. So I'm going to swipe like this. Then the next thing we want to do here is to simply click on here. So right here, you are going to see all your previous delivery goods, and you can track or get a tracking code from here. It's as simple as that. Whether you have received the item or you have not received it, every item is going to be found right here on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation with Pinduoduo shopping app. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.